All right, guys, I want to show you something really cool. Now, this is a place where you can start joining groups through Facebook. So if you're not a Facebook member, shame on you. You need to get on board. So here's the first thing you want to do. You want to just type in, I'm going to start with Michigan because that's my home state. I'm going to put Michigan Real Estate Groups. I'm going to click on that, and it's going to pop up a lot of stuff here. Then from there, click on the groups right here. And then this is going to take you to a lot of groups, okay? So you can see members, you just click on join, keep scrolling down through here. Look for groups that have pretty good members. You can see where I've requested a lot already, okay? So just keep scrolling through and join as many groups as you can that have a pretty good amount of members. I would go with at least 100, but ideally, you know, in the thousands are going to be beneficial for you. And I'll explain more of that later. So anyway, once you click on these groups, like this one, oops, where'd it go? Okay, so you got, you know, there's a 1,000. They're going to ask some questions possibly. If you are wanting to post listings, advertise for lending purposes, or to promote your own business, please don't do this site. So I just answer okay, and then just put yes, and then hit submit, and then click OK. And then you're just going to have to wait for them to respond back to you as far as whether they accept you into the group or not. Okay, so that's how you do that. And then so you can try it with your own state. Let's do Florida. Okay, did I spell it right? Okay, Florida. Then hit that little search, and then here we go. So now you see more groups. Now this one's pretty big. Here's South Florida Real Estate Investors. Click on the join group, South Florida request, and keep scrolling through here and get as many groups. You should have thousands and thousands of groups that you should be affiliated with through the real estate industry, because we have, you know, several properties through the United States that we want to share with other people, buyers, other realtors, even investors. Now this one has a two-part question. Why do you love real estate? I'm just going to put because. And are you a real estate agent or considering joining? Put yes, I am a real estate investor of 25 plus years. And then you click OK. Okay, so the next step you want to do, now that you got all these groups going on, go to Marketplace. Click on Marketplace here. If you don't see Marketplace here, you can type it up here in the search box and you should be able to find it that way. So let me, Marketplace. And then you can find Marketplace that way, and you click on that, and that'll take you to Marketplace. Maybe it won't. Okay, my bad. So anyway, for all intents and purposes, go back here and click on Marketplace here. Then this is where you can post your properties, as well as you could search properties too. So click on sell something, and then click on item for sale, and then you can type in property for sale. It'll auto type it for you. And then you want to put lease purchase, okay, option. So you want to get a tagline for them to respond to it. And then you want to put in the price. Let's just put $250, you know, and then you type in the city and state. And then here you describe the property, okay? So in my case, I already have something pulled up here. So I would take don't put the full address, but put the city and state. And then you can just, you know, copy that, highlight it, and then go over here and then paste it. And then it'll find the city for you, and then just click on it. and then from here you fill in the description, and then make sure you put your name, contact number, and then the company that you are affiliated with. Now you may not be able to see this, but there's a box just below there, and you want to click on that to add your photos. You can put 10 photos in there, and then obviously you will post. You can only do one of these per day, and then you're going to get kicked out. Okay, so let me take you back to what a finished product looks like. And so I'm going to go here, and here's one I just posted in Ohio, and you click on it, the photo, and then you click on share. Okay, then it says send as a message, and you're going to go and you're going to pull down, and then you click on share in group, and then just start typing Ohio, right? And then all these list of Ohio groups that you joined are showing up, and you just click on one and hit the post. Okay, and that's how you do it. And you just keep doing that. You can do like 10 of them before you get kicked out. So just pace yourself and don't get too crazy. You can always put, if you have is more than 10, then just kind of take a break, come back to it a little later. Another cool thing you can do is, just type in Michigan groups if you're marketing Michigan groups, and then go back to your groups, and then you can see one that I joined, like this one here, and then so you got one here. So then what I do is I go to one of my ads I just posted, okay, and this is in Michigan, and then I take that browser link from Craigslist, and I go over here to the subject line and paste it, okay? And then voila, your photo comes up and everything. And then you can actually back this link out, and then you can type in a message. You can say, attention agents, if you have a buyer that cannot get financing, send them here and get paid referral. Okay, and then you come down here and then click post. Boom. Okay, and then there it is. Now sometimes it may say, well, it's being under review, from the admin, so it might take a while before it posts, and then later it'll post up later. So that's how you do it, folks. Okay, so I will share more training on this at a later time, but for now I just wanted to share that. It's awesome, and take advantage of it. Thanks again.